RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
Are you looking for a job that pays well and provides security? Well, we have curated a list of some such jobs for you. Hello and welcome. I am Vidusha Agarwal and you're watching a special segment, Career Canvas, your ultimate source for job vacancies and career opportunities. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell and join our ever-growing family of career enthusiasts. Gujarat Alkalis and Chemicals Limited is inviting applications for the position of senior officer or manager in HR at their Vadodara location. Remuneration will be as per industry standards. Recruitment is initially for a fixed term period of 3 years on the company's roll. Upon completion of this period, the employee will be considered for a regular appointment based on individual performance and organizational needs. For more details, please visit www.gacl.com. India International Bullion Exchange IFSC Limited has invited applications for the position of Head Business and Product Development for their GIFT City, Gandhinagar location. For the job description and further details, please refer to the website www.iibx.co.in. The last date to apply is 15th June 2024. MSCC Limited, a Mini Ratna Category 1 PSU under the administrative control of the Ministry of Steel, Government of India is inviting applications for the post of Chief General Manager, Personnel and Administration. For more details regarding eligibility, selection procedure and more, please visit the career section at www.mstcindia.co.in. A walk-in interview for various faculty positions at Government Medical College Haridwar will be held on 19th June at 10 am onwards at the Government Doon Medical College campus, Patel Nagar, Dehradun. Details of vacancies in various departments are available on the website at www.gmcharidwar.com. The Center for Development of Advanced Computing, a premier research organization under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, is seeking several IT or computer professionals for project-based positions on a contract basis for its Noida center. Interested and eligible candidates may visit the official website at www.cdac.in for detailed notifications. The last date to apply is 19th June 2024. ICAR, Indian Grassland and Fodder Research Institute, is conducting walk-in interviews for the position of Senior Research Fellow. The interviews will be held on 18th June at 10:30 am onwards at IGFRI Jhansi. For more details, please visit the official website at www.igfri.icr.gov.in. The Aeronautical Development Agency, an autonomous body and society responsible for the design and development of the LCA, Tejas and AMCA, is inviting applications from Indian citizens for program-based fixed tenure appointments. These positions are for a period of 5 years, extendable based on performance. They are recruiting for the posts of Project Admin Assistant and Project Senior Admin Assistant. For full details, please visit the official website at www.ada.gov.in. The last date to apply is 25th June 2024. Maharaja Agrasen Medical College, Agroha, has invited applications for various faculty positions, including Professor, Associate Professor, Assistant Professor, Senior Resident and CMO in various departments. Qualifications will be as per NMC standards and the salary will be as per Haryana government norms, with additional perks and the new pension scheme. For more details, please visit www.mamc.edu.in. So that wraps up today's updates, but worry not, we'll be keeping you in loop with more notifications, ensuring you stay ahead and never miss a career opportunity. If you've enjoyed today's content, don't hesitate to hit the like button, share with friends and subscribe to stay tuned for more updates on career opportunities. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching Rhythm.